Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. So, as every day, we are going to do daily analysis for today. So let's begin with daily. So on daily, like Trump won, so there was a lot of volatility, as we see. We took previous weekly high on MQ. There is also an SMT right now with ES. It's really interesting that we left those lows clear. Like there has to be a lot of stop losses here. Like I'm fucking sure, bro. So that's actually crazy that we didn't take them. Okay, let's see what 4 hour do. So right now on 4 hour, there is like I want to see how this 4 hour candle will close, because if we are going to close like this, then I will be looking for previous weekly high, and I will be also looking for higher prices. Why? Because if you take a look on 1 hour, we have clean equal highs here, but like I'll go into it in a moment. So yeah, 4 hour, like there is this SMT. I'm not really looking at it right now. Maybe if price give me some more like tip its hand to me that this SMT could be a case today, I will start to look at it. But right now, like I just have it on my chart, but I'm not really looking at it. However, like no, like okay, sometimes I will be missing words. You need to you need to forgive me. Okay, so 4 hour. So how I said, I'm waiting for this 4 hour close. If we are going to close like that, I will be looking for high prices. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Actually, one thing that I don't really like about 1 hour is that we disrespected this FTG. We went higher, we moved lower. So right now it's like back and forth. Back and forth. On lower time frame is a market maker bungalow. So yeah, but that's in a moment. So yeah, right now, seeing what ES and NQ is doing, I think that price will create an SMT here. ES will sweep this low, and NQ will create the SMT with ES, and will take those equal highs because they are really clear. I don't think that market will reverse without taking those. We will see, but right now I'm really looking for an SMT here to then go for the equal highs and probably for previous weekly high. But let's see 1 hour again. Okay, 1 hour. Let's see what actually we'll take a look for it on 15 minutes. But let me see something. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is that we opened like heavy bullish, like price just went higher. But I don't think we'll reverse with no SMT, with those equal highs. I don't really look at it, but we'll see. So yeah, actually, one more thing that I want to show is that at 6 p.m. we opened, we quote unquote created the low of the day. We manipulated lower, we went higher. Asia just dumped higher. There was this manipulation into the discount, went higher. London accumulation. There was this manipulation into the discount on NQ. We went to the discount of this range, went higher. Yeah, I will be looking. If you take a look on 5 minute, it looks like clear market maker buy model, and London was selling this market maker buy model. There was this consolidation. But there is also a chance that will drop lower. But if I had to be honest, I would be looking for higher prices, especially for those equal highs, probably previous weekly high, and then maybe some reversal. But reversing without taking those highs, like right now, I don't see it. Let me check one thing. Okay, we'll have those lows here. Okay, there is this SMT. Right now we are this market maker sell model. Let me check one thing. Yeah, sorry that those videos are not like 5 minute bias, Like I like looking in depth, so it's also for me, If you don't like it, that's okay. We like right now we are on the market maker sell model on the lower time frame. There is this SMT. So like wait. I need to check one thing. Yeah, how I said, right now I will not be looking for crazy reversals, especially if we are going to close like that, because we on 1 hour, especially on ES, we disrespected this FEG. We went higher, we left those equal highs here, price again went lower. I think I will be looking for some type of SMT here, and once we create the SMT, depends on how price will react here. I will be looking for a reversal to take those equal highs. But yeah, I would like to see SMT here if you want to take those equal highs. Yeah, so right now I'll be looking for those lows. especially on ES. Once we took them, I will be looking for a reversal for those equal highs. But if we closed bearish on 4 hour, but also one thing is that on 4 hour, there is probability that we will have this FVG here. Let me, okay, you know, like you see, those lows are the potential 4 hour FVG which will be created. So 1 hour, yeah, man, yeah, I will be looking for this shit. Right now, I will be looking for some crazy short here to those lows here to then reverse to take those equal highs. Yeah, that's plan for today. We'll see what will happen. So yeah, see ya after the session. Yeah, so we are after the session. I got a loss. It was a loss that I could have avoided. Because I didn't see something, and I also was emotional. It was kind of emotional entry because before this entry happened, I was imagining if it would have happened, you know. So actually, when I saw something similar, I decided, bang, we are entering. I also cut on leverage because it was less, but never mind. Let's analyze what actually happened today, because it was really interesting session. A lot of things, like I was thinking to do those videos in a short period because also I'm reviewing them at the like on Saturday, but like it's impossible. Sorry, it's impossible. Like this video will be like 30 minutes or so. So yeah, like okay, never mind. Let's do what we like to do, right? Okay. So actually, let me pull up my Notion. So starting, yeah, like okay, let's do it. So yeah, starting. This previous weekly high was clear on ES. We had already taken it. 4 hour. I was waiting for this 4 hour closure. If we, like I said that if we, how to say it in a proper way. I said that if we respect this FVG, then I will be looking for high prices in easy way. 1 hour, where it is here. So on 1 hour, I was looking for those lows, and I said that I will be looking for either a manipulation lower to go higher or higher to go lower, but I knew that those highs and those lows will be taken. 15 minutes, yeah, there was this clear market maker buy model for this highs and also for this previous weekly high. Yeah, no, that's all. We can straight jump into like I don't know if it's like okay, we can start with a loss I took, and then I will do like price action review, and at the end we'll like dive into this price action like really deep, you know, because like a lot of things happened today. Okay, so okay, so let's actually start with a loss I took. It was this one here. Actually, like if my stop loss was tighter, it would have been a win, but because it wasn't, it was a loss. But generally, right now, saying like, of course, in hindsight, I wouldn't have taken it, but yeah, I took it, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, this was how it was looking before. So we still had this previous weekly high. ES had already taken it. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour was respecting this 4 hour FVG. On ES, nothing special. Like on ES, one thing that I forgot to mark in the pre-session is this devil mark, you know, like price, like candle just opened higher, but we'll go back into it in a second. 1 hour, yeah, that's how it was looking, and I was looking for the highs, you know. I was looking that price will go lower and then will dump higher, you know. Okay, and 15 minutes, and that's where I fucked up, you know, because here on 15 minute, and there was a signature on 1 minute that was showing that no bro, we will first take those equal highs, previous weekly high, because there is still market maker buy model. And once we took those equal highs and because we were so clear to previous weekly high, bro, we are not going to stop here, and we will take this previous weekly high, and then if you want to reverse, come on. And that's what happened, you know. The one thing seeing right now on 15 minute is that I don't know how it happened, but this was the market maker buy model here. London was accumulating, how to say, manipulation into the discount of this 1 hour dealing range here. There was this soup here. So right now it was clear that equal highs will be the first target. Like, doesn't fucking matter what will happen here. But I will also get into this why I took a short here. Also, one thing that I didn't show is that when my setup was creating on ES, we disrespected this 15-minute FVG. What does it mean? This means that price has changed to go higher. We disrespected this 15-minute FVG. So seeing that, I should have said, okay, bro, I will wait, but I didn't. I just didn't. So it was an emotional entry, you know. 5 minute, nothing special, and 1 minute. Bro, market maker buy model on the 15 minute. Let's actually see it here. Market maker buy model on 15 minute here. What the fuck has 830 done? Manipulation lower with retracement, with fucking retracement, bro. What we had done, I don't know if it's the correct time. We make a soup here. If you drag a fib, I think it was, I don't know if it was, not really, but if you drag a fib to where the first target is, it was an entry in discount, you know. But the more important thing is that there was a breaker before the opening bell. So this breaker was a confluence that, bro, those equal highs, though this previous weekly high, where it is, yeah, this previous weekly high, it's the first, and then we will go for those lows, like how it happened here. Yeah, and I entered on this FVG here, and if you take a look, what happened? There was an SMT at opening bell. When I saw this manipulation, I was thinking that we will manipulate lower, so my stop loss was here, and I was targeting something like that, 2 hour. But the one thing I didn't show, like the one thing that I forgot to say in my mind is that, bro, market maker buy model, price dropped into the discount of the market maker dealing range. Wait, market dealing range. What was before? What happened before? We had a lot of buy side liquidity here, breaker, and out at opening bell. What happened? There was an SMT. ES was going lower and Q wasn't. What does it mean, bro? That we will dump higher. That's something that I didn't, so that's okay, bro. If I had a bigger stop loss, this would be a win, but I wouldn't count this a win because I was looking for a manipulation lower to then go higher. So actually it would have played out with a larger stop loss, but I wouldn't have counted it as a win, you know. So yeah, stupid loss, but that's okay, bro. Like losses like that are not going to push me down, you know. Like I don't give a fuck. Like I will master those markets to the degree that, bro, like today's was a lot of setups. I want to master these markets to the level when I buy, sell, you know, like I can choose, you know. So losses like that, that's okay, because, and like if you are mad because you took a loss, that's okay, bro. Like if you took a loss, get the most of it, you know, like get the biggest shit of it so you can learn from it. That's the lessons, you know, you pay for it. So bro, all like you couldn't pay for it for them, but once you paid for them because like it was an actual loss, you feel it, you know, like you remember this fucking pain in your head. So that's a like, you know, that's a lesson for me. What was the lesson? The lesson is that on 15 minutes we were already in market maker buy model. First thing. Second thing, we had equal highs previous weekly high. That's a third thing, which aligned that this market maker buy model, like because there was this soup here before 9:30. This was a confirmation that we will not more manipulate because this is the market maker buy model. Those equal highs are the first target and then is previous weekly high. So what happened on the opening bell? SMT. What I wasn't what I should have done is that I didn't have two charts, so I didn't see this SMT. But if I have seen it, then I wouldn't have taken this loss. Why? Because we were still in my market maker buy model. Lesson is simple, you know. I need to be more aware. Okay, so that's the loss I took. That's okay. Let's analyze right now what happened. So we ended this market maker buy model here. We created this high at 9:30, and price started to dropping. Why price started to dropping? And this could be another trade that I could have taken, but it wasn't my strategy, so I didn't take it, and that's okay. So if you take a look, there was huge SMT here because we took those equal highs here, this high. On ES we didn't. What happened? We took the major liquidity pool. ES was just consolidating, you know, and on ES we were in the 15-minute market maker sell model. If you take a look, there was this market maker sell model to those 1 hour highs, to this 1 hour low. This market maker buy model started here. I believe that those lows were perfectly aligned with standard deviations, but I'm not sure about it. Let me see. Not really. Wait, let me see one thing. Not really. But yeah, we were in this market maker sell model. What happened? We went into the discount of this selling range. So there was this soup, there was this SMT, and once we created this SMT and price started to drop lower, this was also this inverted FVG. You could have, I don't know, like sometimes I will be messing times, you know, but I'm still learning English to like have a proper understanding of using those times. So if someone is watching this, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. If not, like you can DM me and I will explain. Okay, so yeah, this inverted FVG here on NQ, you could I don't know if I should say you could you could have taken, like you could take, I don't know. Okay, I would say you could take, I think you could take this setup here, yeah, off of this inverted FVG, because this was a confluence that will take this high, this low, those 1 hour lows which were my initial target, and yeah, entry here, bank, partials here. One thing that I didn't saw was this devil mark, this 1 hour devil mark. It was also a 4 hour devil mark. Like let me see one thing. Entry happened at wait, let me, okay, all is good, I think. Yeah, so this was the, wait, let me actually see. Yeah, okay, that's wait, from 6 to 10. Okay, because this is the candle. This 4 hour candle is from 6 to 10, and we took this devil mark before 10. Okay, everything is all right. Okay, so we took this devil mark. It was also, oh, okay, messy, like a little bit messy, but there was 4 hour FVG there was this devil mark. This devil mark was also a 4-hour FVG, and it was also a 1-hour discount of this D-Link range. Fuck. Yeah. D-Link range, and the first FVG, like the first PD array in the discount was this one here. You see, price went here and randomly just went higher. Okay, so let me go to 1 minute again. What happened? Of course, breaker didn't take it. Why? Because I was looking to put the high at 10, but that's a deep subject here, which I like. Why I was looking for take this low again, because generally, okay, I will like this video will, I think it will be long as fuck, but that's what I want to do. So how to say it? Okay, I will skip it right now. Okay, quickly, because I was thinking that we are setting reversal here at 9:30. I was looking to put the low of the session between 10 to 10:30, even like between 10 to 12. So when I saw that we put the low at 9:55, I was looking that, bro, if it is a reversal, we need to put low at least at 10, and we put this low at 9:58. So I was looking for a run for this low, but this wasn't a reversal. So so once price started to respectate this breaker, I knew that this is not a reversal, and this 940 will be the run. And how you see, we put the session high at 9:30, random, and the low was put between the 10, so random as fuck. Yeah, and that's what trapped me, because I was thinking that it is a reversal, but it wasn't. So why it wasn't a reversal? Let's think. Because there was SMT, we went into the 1 hour discount of D-Link range, so we were in discount. 4 hour FVG, devil mark. We took a lot of buy sell side liquidity. Clean breaker here. Also, let me see one thing. Okay, no. So breaker here. Breaker here. It was this entry right there. There was also this little SMT, and right now, if I had knew that is not a reversal, and that also could have been anticipated. Why? It could have been anticipated because if you take a look, 1 hour, what happened once we took the previous weekly high? Look how we closed. This is the candle from 9 to 10. At what time there was a setup? The setup occurred after the 10. So if I had been a retail, and I would have seen such a reaction after taking this previous weekly high, what would you say? Damn, bro, this is our resistance, you know, right? Like, look how price is reacting. We are bearish, bro. I'm selling this. Okay, you are selling this. Where would you put your stop loss? Here. Like, don't lie, you will put it here. Like every retail who was shorting this put his stop loss at this swing high. And the same thing was here. Like, once retails saw that we are going higher, they put their stop loss here. So that's why this is another confluence for this trade, because we had this 1 hour lows, which was the end of the market maker bond model. We had this 4 hour FVG, devil mark, discount of the range, and those stop loss which were staying here once the retail shows that we are going higher. Like, that was the same thing. Like, once you see crazy reactions, you need to start to think what retails would do. Like, in this case, we are going heavy bullish, so everyone is buying. Where they put the stop loss here. Thank you. So we are going for you again. Big fucking reaction. What you can anticipate that retailers are selling. Why? Because they think that there is a support, you know, because price, like on 1 hour there is such a reaction, you know. Like if I ask you, how does it look for you? You would say that this is a bearish reaction. That's why they said they are selling. Okay, so this could be a factor that this couldn't be a reversal, but there was also SMT. So, you know, like, kinda, how to say, wait, there was an SMT. So, like, yeah, like once we dropped into this discount, there was this SMT. This couldn't have been a reversal because on ES we had already been in discount. We created this huge SMT, and right now, if I was thinking more in depth, like right now, and I would have seen that we created the low at 958. I would knew that this 930 will run, so probably I wouldn't be scared to take this setup. But even if you don't know this concept, like there was this SMT, we were in huge discount, so like you could anticipate at least a reversal here to our easy money. So yeah, what happened next? Next, there was a nice setup. Like this setup, I would have taken it if I could. So on 5 minute, actually, on 5 minute, we disrespected this FVG. What does it mean? That we are going for those stop losses here. You see, disrespectation candle went here, bam. 1 minute, there was a beautiful entry. So actually it was here. We close above 9. This is the candle from 10:14 to 10:15. So this was the entry on this FVG bank here, at least to our trade, easy money. And what next? At what time we created the high? 9:31. So we created 9 at the high at the right time, at the right level. We can anticipate some type of reaction lower. So there was also this SMT, this huge SMT. I don't know if there was anything special, like, because 15 minute at this time wasn't looking good. Like it was here, you know. Wait. Let me see at what time the setup was. I took it on the paper. I will show it in a minute. I'll show it right now. Yeah, and I close it here at break even. Close it here at break even because I was looking for lower prices. In a moment I will tell you why. So wait, how long this video is going? 22 minutes. Damn, bro. I need to watch them too. Okay. So okay, yeah, I need to check. This was 10:40, some so the candle from 10:40. Okay, so it was this candle, you see, like the only confirmation on 15 minute was that we didn't create an FVG. So actually this candle couldn't close above this high. We didn't create any FVG here, so price didn't have like power to go higher. There was also this SMT, so you could anticipate a retracement lower. There was a one, like randomly we rejected from this 2-point, like this standard deviation projections. Why we, like, actually I was holding this trade because I was looking for 1 hour low. If you take a look how price opened here, we just went higher. So I was looking at least for like, I was looking that price will take those low here, and that's why I put my TP here, but price didn't went there. So I just go break even. It was a paper trade. So yeah, we didn't take it. Maybe it was because there was an SMT and on NQ we created the low. Maybe no, I don't know. But doesn't matter, you know, like it would be 2R, and that's why it's so fucking important to take partials. You see, like it would be even 3R. Depends where you took the setup. Let's see on the key. I would put the stop loss probably here. Yeah, targeting those standard deviations, 2.5 hour. That's enough, bro. That's enough. That's enough that I don't need to know why they didn't take it. But actually, I kind of see it why. Like once we reject of taking this retail stop losses, there was this SMT. Wait, let me see where it was on the. Oh, okay, it was here. So there was this SMT went higher, and actually, if you grab a fib, take a equilibrium, we respected the first PDR, the first and the only one PDR right here. It was this FVG here. It was this FVG here. And if you take a look, price respected it clearly, you know? So seeing that, I was like, if I would have been in a trade, like I was in it, but I didn't see it. That's why it's so important for me to analyze that. Like I know that I will not be able to see like every detail whenever I'm watching the charts, but I'm doing this because like those type of details repeat every day. So like that's why I'm doing it in depth. So my memory, my muscle memory remember this. Like one time it will remember those details, and I will be like master of it. You know, that's why I'm doing it. So like doesn't matter. We respected this. Seeing that we respected equilibrium. God damn. And looking at 1 minute, we created this clear buy sell liquidity here. What does it mean? That potentially we can make a market maker buy model here. So right now, like because it wasn't the case for me, I was looking for lower prices, especially for this devil mark here. But price respected this discount rate, this 15-minute FVG, 5-minute FVG, and what price started to do? Clear breaker on 5 minute. There was a CSD. We respected 5-minute FVG here. If you take a look, we respected this 5-minute FVG. And what could you do when you saw it? Enter on this order block here, targeting the highs. This would be a clear entry. 2R, I think. The only thing is that the stop loss would be quite a mod. Like probably I would have put it here, something like that. Yeah, 2R trade, bro. Money is money. Yeah, beautiful session. Also, what's interesting is that we respected this order block here. On ES, we had a lot of buy sell liquidity above, which we are going right now for. There was a lot of SMTs, so I wasn't really looking at it, but it was so much buy sell liquidity here. So yeah, really interesting session in depth. You know, I think that I said everything I had to say, and yeah. So yeah, like I think that's all for today. If you took a loss, if you bro, why I'm messing with those times? If you took yeah, if you took a loss, don't be mad, bro. Like this is the part of the game. Like when I took this loss here, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, damn, bro, like fuck, like it touched me a little, you know. But this is the part of the game, and that will happen. And like whenever you take a loss like that, that's helping me. Whenever I take a loss, I just say that, bro, one loss is not going to define my whole career, and this one fucking loss will not abandon. I don't know if it's the good word. Will not abandon my goals. You know, like I will still pursue them. You know, like This is a one loss, bro. One fucking loss. And to make it back, I just need to like one win, and I will either like that's why risk management is important, because one loss is like two wins. Wait, I don't know if it was good. Like when your wins are bigger than your losses, to gain back you just need one win, and you are also at profit, because if you are risking 1 to 2, that's like one loss is like one win, and you also earn on this one win. So yeah, that's all for today. See ya.